The Somfy Home Alarm Kit helps to prevent break-ins before they happen. Unlike other security systems, it uses door and window sensors that contain the IntelliTAG smart sensor. This uses advanced algorithms to analyse vibration patterns and determine the difference between normal events and potential threats. So it's able to recognise an everyday event such as a ball bouncing or someone knocking on the door without setting off a false alarm. And at the same time, it differentiates these from an intrusion attempt, setting off a powerful 110 decibel alarm when it does, and a push notification to your smartphone to let you know immediately. It's a really easy to set up system over Wi-Fi, and it requires no wires or drills. It works with an accompanying app and has some other really cool features. It also comes with individual user key fobs, so Somfy can identify who's arrived home, and you can be notified via the app when your children arrive safely, for example, giving you additional peace of mind. These key fobs allow automatic hands-free disarming, so no need to worry about any false alarms. The Somfy Home Alarm is even compatible with all the most popular smart home systems too, for an even easier user experience. And if you go on holiday, then you can invite your friends and family to join your network and receive intrusion notifications and temporary access to your events timeline. Included in the box is the indoor motion sensor, the indoor siren, 3 IntelliTAG door and window sensors, 2 key fobs and the link, which is the central hub that connects them all together wirelessly. You also get a UK and an EU plug and your user manual. You can purchase additional key fobs and IntelliTAGs if required, so you can completely scale this system up. You can buy yours now at scan.co.uk.